am Anoma. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make a healthy breakfast, garlic and rice porridge. Here I have half a cup short grain rice washed and water to cook the rice, and then we need a coconut milk and little bit of salt. If it's available, you can use some pandan leaves and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put the rice into the pan, add some water. I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups water, 2 pandan leaves. I'm going to crush the garlic and going to cook the rice. Now water is boiling. You have to reduce the heat. Cover and cook until the rice is done. Rice is not done yet. All the water has been absorbed to the rice. I am going to add 1 cup coconut milk. I am going to cover this again and cook until it gets thick. So at this point we can add some salt. Always add salt to your taste. Creamy garlic porridge. Now the porridge is almost thick. We can serve this. Remove all the pandan leaves before serving. This is a healthy breakfast. I am Anoma. Thank you for watching.